Starting investing can feel confusing, and one common question people ask is, what is the best age to start investing? The simple truth is that, the earlier you start, the easier wealth building becomes. If you begin investing in your 20s, you may not have a large income, but you have something more powerful to time. Even small monthly investments in your 20s can grow significantly over decades because of compounding. Starting in your 30s is still a strong position. Your income is usually higher, which allows you to invest larger amounts regularly, while you have slightly less time than someone in their 20s. Consistent investing in your 30s can still build meaningful long-term wealth. If you begin in your 40s, you may feel late, but investing is still extremely important. At this stage, the focus should be on higher consistency, disciplined saving, and balanced risk management to strengthen retirement security. So what is the real conclusion? There is no perfect age to start investing. The best age is simply as early as possible, and the second best time is today, no matter your age. Starting now and investing consistently can still improve your financial future. If you want more simple, practical guides on saving, investing, and building long-term wealth, subscribe to Grow Your Wealth and continue learning step by step.